Welcome back, woodworking enthusiasts. Are you tired of unreliable joints and uneven finishes in your projects? Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a DIY hobbyist, a high-quality biscuit joiner can completely transform your woodworking game. Today, we're uncovering the best cordless biscuit joiners to help you create seamless and sturdy joints. We'll review the DeWalt DW682K heavy-duty plate joiner kit, Aoben biscuit cutter plate joiner, WEN 8.5 amp plate and biscuit joiner, ONEHOUSEE 8.5 amp wood biscuit plate joiner, and Makita 6 amp corded plate joiner. These tools are top rated on Amazon, offering a mix of precision, power, and portability for every budget and skill level. Stick around to find the best match for your needs. Check the description box and the pinned comment for product links and exclusive deals to make your purchase easier. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews and DIY tips. Now, let's dive in. DeWalt DW682K Heavy-Duty Plate Joiner Kit. The DeWalt DW682K is a powerhouse in the world of biscuit joiners. Designed for heavy-duty use, this tool features a robust 6.5 amp motor that cuts effortlessly through hardwood, plywood, and even composite materials. One of its standout features is the dual rack and pinion fence, which ensures that the blade stays aligned for precise cuts every single time. This joiner is incredibly user-friendly with preset depth stops for the most common biscuit sizes 0, 10, and 20, making it versatile for a wide range of applications. The ergonomic handle and lightweight design reduce hand fatigue, allowing for longer work sessions without strain. Additionally, the DeWalt DW682K comes with a dust bag that helps keep your workspace clean, a feature that's essential for professionals working in tight environments. Why is this joiner a favorite among professionals? Its precision and durability make it ideal for heavy-duty projects such as cabinetry, furniture making, and even flooring. If you're a serious woodworker looking for a reliable tool, this model delivers on all fronts. Ready to take your projects to the next level? Check the description box. Aoben Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner. Next up is the Aoben Biscuit Cutter Plate Joiner, an excellent choice for budget-conscious woodworkers. Despite its affordable price, this tool offers an impressive 8.5 amp motor, making it powerful enough for a variety of woodworking tasks. It comes with 6 adjustable cutting depths, giving you the flexibility to handle different biscuit sizes with ease. What sets the Aoben apart is its compact and lightweight design, which makes it perfect for hobbyists and dyers who need a reliable, easy-to-handle tool. The joiner's precision cutting capabilities ensure tight and secure joints, whether you're assembling picture frames, furniture, or shelving. Plus, the tool includes a dust bag to keep your workspace tidy, an often overlooked but crucial feature. Despite its affordability, this joiner doesn't skimp on quality or performance, making it a great option for beginners or those looking to complete smaller projects. Check the description box for more details and grab your Aoben biscuit cutter today. WEN 8.5 amp plate and biscuit joiner. The WEN biscuit joiner is all about power and precision. With its 8.5 amp motor, it easily handles hardwood and softwood alike. One of its most convenient features is the adjustable fence, which tilts up to 135 degrees, allowing you to create angled joints for more intricate woodworking projects. The WEN joiner also boasts an onboard dust port that connects to your shop vacuum, keeping your workspace clean and dust-free. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to maneuver, while its depth adjustment knob ensures precise cuts for 0, 10, and 20 biscuits. This joiner is particularly well suited for edge-to-edge joints and T-joints, making it a versatile addition to any workshop. If you're looking for a balance between performance and affordability, the WEN plate joiner is a fantastic option. Check the first comment for product links and discounts. ONEHOUSEE 8.5 amp wood biscuit plate joiner. The ONEHOUSEE biscuit plate joiner is a mid-range gem that delivers excellent performance without breaking the bank. Featuring an 8.5 amp motor, it's powerful enough to tackle a variety of woodworking tasks, from crafting furniture to repairing cabinetry. What makes the ONEHOUSEE stand out is its ergonomic design and user-friendly features. It comes with adjustable cutting depths and a preset angle guide, making it incredibly versatile for different joint types. Additionally, its dust extraction port ensures a clean workspace, and essential for maintaining precision in your projects. This joiner is perfect for professionals and dyers alike, offering a combination of power, precision, and affordability. Don't miss out on this versatile tool. Click the description link to learn more. Makita 6-amp P-corded plate joiner. Last but not least, the Makita 6-amp corded plate joiner is a top choice for those who prioritize precision and ease of use. Its rack and pinion fence system ensures consistent alignment, and its lightweight design reduces fatigue during prolonged use. The Makita joiner features a powerful 6-amp motor that effortlessly cuts through a wide range of materials from softwood to hardwood. Its depth adjustment settings accommodate all standard biscuit sizes, making it versatile enough for various applications. This tool is ideal for intricate woodworking projects, thanks to its precise engineering and user-friendly features. Whether you're building custom furniture or repairing antiques, the Makita plate joiner will deliver exceptional results every time. Check the description for links to buy this tool at the best price. There you have it, our top picks for the best cordless biscuit joiners of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate dyer, these tools can help you achieve seamless and durable joints with ease. Which joiner caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and woodworking tips. Remember, the links to all these products are in the description box and pinned comment, so be sure to check them out for exclusive deals. Thank you for watching, and happy woodworking.